Okay, brothers and sisters, now we come to Mudhaari. And in Mudhaari, brothers and sisters, some changes will take place. Okay? Some changes will take place. And I am going to do it slowly. Bab Nasara. The A. Nasara Yan Suru. What will you say? Yan Suru. Okay, brothers and sisters. So, how I say the A? Yad'u. Yad. Ooh. But actually it is Yad'u Wu. Nasara Yan Suru. Where is Ru? Wow. Are you with me? It is Wow which is the Ru. So, Yan Su Ru. So it should have been Yad U Wu. But we don't say Yad U Wu. What do we say? What do we say? Yad U. What do you say? Yad U. But actually it is Yad U Wu. It is Yad U Wu. Fine. 5 in your pocket. Yad'u, Tad'u, Tad'u, Ad'u, Nad'u. 5 in our pocket. If it is Fi'l Mudhari'a, Marfu, how do you describe? Because your mind says there is a Dhamma there, but your eyes only sees the Sukun. So what will you say? Fi'lun Mudhari'un Marfu'un Bidhammatil Muqaddara. Because your mind knows there is a Dhamma there. So brother, this grouping that we have learned, how many groups in Mudhari'a? 3. What is the first group? 5 in your pocket. What is your second group? Noon aata hai, noon jata hai. And what is the third group? Mabni. Brother, noon aata hai, noon jata hai is very simple. You see the noon, it's marfu. You don't see the noon, it's no longer marfu. But in this case, the Dhamma is not visible. But my mind knows this is Nasara Yan Suru. Da'a Yad U Wu. But there is a Sukun. So then how will you describe? Dhammatal Muqaddara. Dhammatal Muqaddara. 5 in your pocket. Now, let's try to do the whole thing, brothers and sisters. Da'a, Yad'u. What will be the next one? Yad'u Wani. What will be? Yad'u Wani. Okay. By the way, brothers and sisters, we gave you the sheets. We gave you about 11 sheets. There are some samples there. Can you find the A there? Find the whole conjugation of the A. Brother, look at it. Yad'u, Yad'u, Wani. Are you with me? Yad'u, Wani. And now, brothers and sisters, if it is hum, we have to add waw and noon. Are you with me? So, Yad'u, and then we have waw and noon. What shall we do now? One has. I don't want to drop this one because that is the file. I'll just drop the lam kalima. So what will it become? Yad una. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So, brother, start from the beginning. Yada'u, Yada'u wani, Yada'una, Tada'u, Tada'u wani, and Yada'una. No changes. You just put a noon there. And what did I say yesterday? The food is ready. Maal tayar hai. Aake khana kha lo. Okay? So you just put the noon there, Nunu Niswa, and you say Yada'una. See, here, hum Yada'una Noon is the sign of marfu. And waw is the fa'il. Sahi? And you change by dropping one waw. Here it is original. That is your lam kalima. And this is your mutaharik pronoun. So lam kalima gets a sukun. So already it is there. So you just pronounce it. Yada'una. How will you define this and this? This I will define fi'lun, mudhari'un, marfu'un, bi thubuti noon. And where is the fa'il? Al-waw. How will I define this? Fi'lun, mudhari'un, mabniyun ala sukun. And it is marfu? Yes. So I will say fi mahalli raf'in. Remember, I will be repeating it, brothers and sisters. Inshallah, you will get strong. We have done it, but right now, you cannot recollect quickly. Are you with me, brother? Anta. Tada'u. Are you with me? Tada'u. Tada'uvani. Tada'una. Anti. Why did you make it tada'ina, brother? Yes. See, I'll write it down. Now we are learning that we did not do it before. But now we are ready to handle it, brother. Tad'u. Brother and sister, now we are bringing ina. What are you bringing? Or you say ya and noon. What is this ya, brother? Fa'il. What is noon? Sign of marfu. Sign of marfu. Where is the fa'il? Ya. Brothers and sisters, here there are two sukuns. So I have to drop one. Now there is a dhamma there. It is not compatible with ya. So it gets a kasra. So it became tad'ina. Now brother, I tell you something. In book 1 we did. In book 1, brothers and sisters, we did yazhabu, which will become tazhabu. Are you with me? What is tazhabu? Anta. Tazhabani, tazhabuna. And then we bring our ya and noon. Okay, brothers and sisters? I don't have to drop anything because there is no iltiqai sakinaini. But then, brother, there is a dhamma here. So what should we do? Kasra. But we didn't tell you. If we had told you that when we were learning, you would have said, Brother Asif, where is the door to go out? This is too complicated. But now we are ready to handle it. So brother, that we say, I say to Sister Hafsa, Madha turidina. Why it is turidina? It was turidu. Are you with me? It was turidu. And what did you do? Turidu. Are you with me, brother? And now you put ya and noon. Ya and dhamma are not compatible. So, we make it turidina. But when we were learning, we just thought that's the way it is. So when you come to anti, you just say, ta'kulina, tashrabina, tazhabina, takhrujina, taktubina. Now we know why it becomes bina, dina. Now we know. Because dhamma and ya are not compatible, so you have to bring a kasra. Are you with me? I thought this was very cool, brother. Hadal shayyu coolun. And this thing is very cool, brother. Alhamdulillah. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? And then, So you will say, what will you say? Tad'ina. And then tad'uwani. Tad'uwani. And then tad'una. Same, tad'una. Like antum. But tad'una, antunna is proper. Nothing is dropped. And how will you say tad'una antunna? Fi'lun mudhariun mabniun ala sukun. Fi mahalli raf'in. Because we are only doing marfu now. And the noon is the fa'il. Inshallah. Clear, brothers and sisters? Let's do one more shaka. Now, as I said earlier, in NaaQis you have to use your mind. You have to use your mind, brother. Shaka. Let us do Maadhi quickly. Shaka, shakawa, shakawa, shakaw. It will come with practice. Shakaw. And then shakat, shakata, shakawna, shakauta, shakautuma, shakautum, shakauti, shakautuma, shakautunna, shakautu, shakawna. And brother, yashku. What will be? I'll write down. Yashku. Yash. Ku. What is originally? Yashku vu. Yansu ru. Yashku vu. But you say yashku. Ready? Let's conjugate, brother. Yashku. Yashkuwani. Yashkuna. Tashku. Tashkuwani. Yashkuna. Noon, only put noon and everything is ready. Anta. Tashku. Tashkuwani. Tashkuna. Tashkina. Tashkuwani, Tashkuna, Ashku, Nashku. Now, brothers and sisters, you are doing very fine. You are doing beautifully. But if you won't work at home, then by the time you go out and sit in your car, now we come to Baka. Okay, same thing. Daraba, Yad, Ribu. Yad, Ribu. Okay, so it will be Baka, Yab, Ki, You. Fine, brother? Yab, Ki, You. But how do I write it? I write it Yabki. Yabki. 5 in your pocket. Yabki, Tabki, Tabki, Abki, Nabki. 5 in your pocket. How will I describe? Yabki, Fi'lun, Mudhariun, Marfun, Bidammatil, Mukaddara. Because there is a Dhamma there, which my mind can see, but my eyes cannot see. Got the idea? Only in this 5 in your pocket, you will be saying things like that. Inshallah. Very good, brothers and sisters. Then, now we do again quickly, brothers and sisters. Yabki, Yabkiyani, and then Yabkuna. Why kuna, brother? Okay, let's try it. Let's try it, brother. Yab, ki, and then here it is. And then I put Vav and Noon. Are you with me? So I have to drop this. Okay, what is now? Kasra and Vav. They are not compatible. They are not compatible. So I have to put Yabkun. I have to make it ki into ku. There is a reason for that. There is a reason for that. And it's all logical, brother. Yabkun. Okay? So you will remember this. Ready? From the beginning. Yabki, Yabkiyani, Yabkuna, Tabki, Tabkiyani, Yabkina. Because everything is ready, put noon only. Are you with me? Yabkina. Anta, Tabki. Tabki, Yani. Tabkuna. And then tabkina, because already kasra is there. Tabkina, tabkiyani, tabkina, abki, nabki. But then once we do one thing, you will do all these things that way.